welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for stopping by. You know, I've been wanting to make biscuits and gravy for a long time, so today's the day and I'm so excited. And if you love it, then today's your day too. So if you want to see how I make mine, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and let me thank all of my new subscribers. And don't forget to click on that notification bell and click on them all, just in case when I do drop a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and you can use your favorite biscuit recipe if you like, but I'm going to make it easier on myself, and I have this can of Pillsbury biscuits, the flaky ones, my favorite. And I'm just going to open them up, and I'm just going to line them up and just space them apart just a little bit, just in case they spread. And something else that I like to do whenever I make these biscuits is just spread just a little butter on top, just to make them extra delicious. So just follow the directions on the can, and I've already preheated the oven at 350 degrees, and I'm going to let these bake up between 13 and 16 minutes. Now for the creamy sausage gravy, I'm going to use some Italian sausage. Now obviously you can use whatever meat you like. Some people like to use pork, but I'm going to go ahead and use the sausage, and I'm just going to put it into a pan over medium heat, and I'm just going to break it apart and continue to stir it and brown it up until it's fully cooked. So my meat is pretty much done, and now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon of flour, and this is what's going to help thicken up the sauce or the gravy. And 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. And now you just want to continue to stir until the butter is completely melted and the flour is completely incorporated into the meat. You definitely don't want to taste the flour. And now I'm ready to add 2½ cups of half and half. And again, continue to stir it just to make sure that nothing sticks to the bottom and nothing burns. So to add more delicious flavor to the gravy, I'm going to add 1/8 teaspoon of dried thyme, red pepper flakes, dried rosemary, and some smoked paprika. And of course, some salt and some black pepper. And at this point, you can give it a taste test just to make sure that everything is well seasoned. And just continue to stir, and your sauce is going to turn into a thick, delicious gravy. And after 16 minutes of baking in the oven, my biscuits are done perfectly. They're beautiful and golden brown. And we're pretty much done, you guys. Just really simple. You just take a biscuit and you just split it open like an open-faced sandwich, and you take that creamy, delicious gravy and you just add as much as you want into the biscuits. A really simple recipe that you can enjoy for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner, and make sure to enjoy it while it's nice and hot. But that is it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody that you know. Take a picture, follow me, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.